and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to sync Google Sheet with Excel, the real-time data. So let's get started with the video. So once you have the Google Sheet ready, what you need to do at upper left side, you will see File option. Here you will see a Share option and another option will be Publish to Web. Click on Publish to Web. Here under Link, here you need to choose entire document or any sheet if you want to particularly export. But in the web page that you see, you need to click on this drop down menu and select CSV file, that is comma separated values, and then click on Publish. A pop-up will come, click on OK. So basically a link will get generated. You need to copy this link over here, go to your Excel, and in order to import it here or sync the Google Sheet with Excel, you will see an option of data. Go to data and here you will see another option, that is from web. Here it will ask you to paste the link over here, paste it over here and then click on OK. Here a page will come, a pop-up window will come here. As you can see, the file is already been here, the data is there. You need to click on load. So once you click on load, it will take few seconds, and as you can see, it has imported the Google Sheet and synced to Google Sheet from your Excel, from Google Sheet to your Excel. So this is how you can sync it. If any real-time data you make changes in Google Sheet, it will appear here as well. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.